Designing your bedroom can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner. Bedroom should be a personal sanctuary that reflects your style, provides comfort and promotes relaxation. In this beginner's guide, Casa Custom walk you through and practical tips to design a bedroom that suits your taste and meets your needs. Define your style and vision. The first step in bedroom design is to define your style and vision for the space. Consider the colors, patterns, and themes that resonate with you the most. Do you prefer a minimalist, bohemian, modern, or traditional look? Having a clear vision will guide you in making design decisions. Choose the right color scheme. Color plays a vital role in setting the mood of your bedroom. Select color scheme that complements style and creates a serene atmosphere. Don't forget to consider the color of your furniture and bedding when making your decision. Optimize furniture placement. As a beginner, keeping the furniture layout. Start by placing the bed as the focal point of the room, preferably against the longest wall. Arrange other furniture pieces like dressers, nightstands, and chairs in a way that promotes smooth movement. Round the space. Leave enough room for a comfortable flow. Invest in quality bedding. Your bed is the centerpiece of your bedroom, and investing in quality bedding is crucial for a good night's sleep. Choose a comfortable mattress, soft and luxurious sheets. Add decorative pillows and throws that match your color scheme to enhance the overall look. Personalize with decorative elements. Add a personal touch to your bedroom with decorative elements, hand artwork, or photos that resonate with your style. And consider wall decals or stencils for creative flair. Decorative mirrors can make the space feel larger, and area rugs can add warmth and texture to the floor. Designing your bedroom as a beginner may seem daunting, but with a clear vision and practical tips, you can create a stylish and comfortable space that reflects your personality. Define your style. Choose a calming color scheme. Optimize furniture placement. Invest in quality bedding, and add personalized decorative elements. By following this beginner's guide, you'll be well on your way to designing a dreamy bedroom.
Follow us and get more details.